So, Dr. Jen, it's been kind of a long 4 months.
It's been a long 18, 19 years, it feels like.
Yeah, it has. And I'm curious how many people that have been sheltering in place have accomplished something. Have they done any cleaning out? Anything? I'm curious to know how people have filled their time.
Well, everybody has a space in their home that is cluttered. You can probably think of it as I'm saying it. I have a drawer, perhaps two, and or a pile,
or maybe it's a room,
or maybe it's a room.
It could be a room,
an entire closet. Who knows? But the more spaces that we have like this that are cluttered, that are unorganized, really cause us anxiety and stress. Even if we close the door or shut the drawer, our subconscious knows that it's there. So this is a great time, since we're stuck at home, also known as shelter in place, to get some of those projects done. I know you've done some.
We have done some. I'm proud to say we replaced the wood chips or whatever in a spot in our backyard. It was quite the project, but it was fun. You know, I normally don't do a lot of yard activities, A, because I don't have time, B, I usually don't have the interest, but this was really fun. And it was physical, you're outside, you're in your yard, it was great. What about you?
And you also have a closet, right?
Oh, I cleaned out my closet. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
always fun. You know, I use a certain service where you clean it out and you send it off, so it's kind of nice. You just drop it off at the post office. So.
I love it.
What did you do?
Nothing.
There were no drawers or anything?
No. There's I have a paper issue.
Oh.
So clearing up some paper piles. I have my favorite professional organizer, Jessica,
me too. Yeah.
that comes over and helps with that. And that really, it's not that I can't do it. It's that having somebody to come over holds me to that time to tackle that project. So that's what I tackled, the paper pile.
I know we took a bunch of boxes to the shredders. It's always so cleansing, and it feels mentally good to do that too. And we need to do as many things as we can these days to feel mentally good. So
let us know what you've done in the comments below, and we'll talk soon.